What is up, everybody? Hope you're having a great day so far. Welcome back to another video. And the title of this video is how to get started in day trading or trading in general. So I kind of thought about this video and I said, what would I tell myself if I can go back in time and kind of help myself get started in trading? As it's been since end of 2019, early 2020, when I got into trading because of COVID. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. As you guys see, I have the charts pulled up and I have TradingView. I don't know if you guys have ever seen TradingView before, but for anybody on this video, TradingView is the best app, in my opinion, to look at charts on all markets. TradingView, there is a free trial or a free version of it, I believe, and you can just look at charts. If not, it's a well worth investment. It's like $14 a month, depending on which one you're looking at. That being said, I want you guys to understand that when you get into trading and you start wanting to trade in the markets, looking at charts and being able to decipher what candlesticks look like and supply and demand and all these indicators, all of that's going to be helpful, but being able to watch price action every single day for months at a time is what's really going to help you, because there are things that I can't explain when I'm looking at charts. It's a feeling. It's watching the charts for so many years and understanding price action to a point where I could kind of feel where price is going to go, right? That is like an intuition after watching charts for so long. And other people would say the same thing. Other traders would say the same thing when they trade the same ticker or they trade the same group of stocks. And they understand how price moves, and each one has its own characteristics. So one, please download TradingView. I think I'll have a link below for you guys to go to, and you guys can download TradingView from there. But that's step one. And I would start looking into all the different markets to trade in. The three that I got into were basically stocks and trading options. That's how I got into it. I do not suggest jumping into options right away, because the high risk with options. And then two, I got into Forex after that. So I started trading Forex beginning of last year because of the prop firm space. And I learned a lot about Forex. Forex is a great market to trade in, but it's kind of the Wild West, depending on what broker you want to use and people that, represent Forex. A lot of what you see on these brokerages that are overseas, you can manipulate price on the account. And there's a few reasons why I stay away from it for now. And then I got into futures, which has been the most pleasant trading market that I've been in, but also is, it's pretty volatile. So you got to be defensive when you trade it. So just look at all the different markets, look at stocks, look at futures, look at Forex, look at the correlations between the two. But I would just play around with going into stocks in the beginning, because there's companies that you can trade and have an attachment to in your real life when you go to look at these charts, and you could start correlating those things in real life. I've got a set of AirPod Maxes, and you can go to Apple, AAPL is the ticker, and you can trade Apple, and you can see where the price goes and how it moves and what have you. So, that was pretty fun in the beginning, seeing the correlations of price and how it moves based on the product and, their sales, and me actually using the product and wearing the shirt because I worked there. So that's probably what I would tell myself, is to kind of jump into that right away, because there's some correlation to it, right? You're not just looking at candlesticks and bars. And here's the final thing I'll leave with you guys. Oh, sorry. second to the last. The market opens at 9 o'clock Eastern time, 6 o'clock my time here in Arizona. It is extremely crucial for you, if you want to be a day trader, intraday trader, to watch how volatility is in the beginning when the market opens. So if you can dedicate yourself to waking up every day here on the West Coast, being ready at 6 o'clock at your desk, watching charts, and continually doing that for weeks and months, even when you don't even place a trade, that right there is what I would tell myself if I could go back to it without throwing money into the markets. I would say, go sit at your desk, Meshach, at 6 o'clock at the open, watch price action, and take notes on what happens, and be dedicated to it, and be disciplined to be there every day at 6 o'clock, even if I don't know what exactly is going on. Because essentially for so long, I would pull up my phone, even when I wasn't really active trading, I would still pull up my phone, I would still look at charts, and I would constantly guess at where price would go for the last 4 years, essentially. So that's the biggest thing, is to be at the open and make sure to watch price right when the market opens, because that will teach you a lot about volatility and the way things move. And that's when I trade the most, is within the first hour. Most of my trades happen then, and you can see the more volume in a chart, a lot of the probabilities of the trade setups that you'll take on happen when there's volume, right? When there's other traders in the market. So that's why I want you to sit there at 9 o'clock at open and watch what happens. And the last thing is to join a group. It doesn't have to be my group, but join a trading community. I did do that when I first started. Unfortunately, I paid for it right away. I didn't pay for it. I paid for alerts. Oh, sorry, I did pay some sort of monthly fee, and then I followed alerts, and that was not great. But everybody starts at some point wherever they're at. But I would just find a trading community. You can join mine in the Discord, and just message below that you want to be a part of the Discord. But being a part of a trading community of other like-minded people will definitely help you feel a bit in place, that you're not alone. So this is my Discord, and you guys can see I posted the winning trades that I took this morning. This was a trade I didn't take, but I posted for other members in the group. That is gold on the demand zone, and I'll show you gold and what happened. There it is, gold in that demand zone. I had the buy signal here, and we hit 3R, I believe, is what I was aiming for. So yeah, I posted the trades inside of here. I post kind of every day what I do. This is what my trades have been like for the last week or so since I started the challenge with Apex. So yeah, join a community. Don't stay alone out there, because it does get lonely. This is a very lonely career, so it's good to be around like-minded people, but take that with a grain of salt, because when you start trading, you're going to start seeing multiple ways to trade, multiple systems, and everybody has their own opinions on where stock is going to go, where the price is going to go, and ultimately the only ones that really matter are the ones that are making money. So yeah, I was a part of the Wall Street bets type stuff in 2020, and GameStop and all of that. It was crazy, but it was cool being a part of a community and seeing people make a lot of money and also lose a lot of money. But just join a group, and even if it's not mine, find yourself a home. So hopefully this kind of got you started making the first steps into the trading world in general. No matter what you do as a career, you could always take a look at charts at some point at your day. Futures is open at night also, so you can look at charts. So all right guys, I appreciate it. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.